If you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 18.2.1 and are experiencing keyboard issues, such as lagging keys, unresponsive buttons, or erratic autocorrect, don't worry. Here are 6 simple ways to resolve these problems. The first and easiest step is to restart your device. To do this, press and hold the power button along with either volume button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then press the power button to turn it back on. Check if the keyboard issue is resolved. The second method is to reset keyboard dictionary. If autocorrect or specific keys are still problematic, you can reset your keyboard dictionary. Follow these steps. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode and confirm. This action won't delete your data, but it will erase any custom words you've added. Another effective method is to remove and then re-add your keyboard. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Select Keyboard. And then Keyboards. Swipe left on your current keyboard. And tap Delete. Restart your iPhone. Then, return to Settings to add the keyboard again. If the problem persists, consider resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will restore your settings to factory defaults without erasing your data. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. And choose Reset All Settings. Interior or passcode and confirm. Sometimes, Apple releases updates that fix bugs. To check for updates, go to Settings. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and install. If none of these steps resolve your keyboard issues, it might be time to contact Apple support. They can assist you with further troubleshooting or check for any potential hardware issues. We hope these steps help you fix your keyboard problems after updating to iOS 18.2.1.